In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in Zoho CRM. Let's walk through how to manually log a call after it's already happened, so your conversations are always tracked and easy to find later. First, sign into your Zoho CRM account and head over to the main navigation bar at the top. From here, you'll want to decide whether the person you spoke with is stored as a lead or as a contact. If they're still in the early stages of your sales process, you'll usually find them in the Leads module. If they're already an active customer or a qualified prospect, they'll most likely be in the Contacts module. Click on either Leads or Contacts, depending on where this person lives in your CRM. Once you're inside the module, you'll see a list of records. These are all the people stored in that section. Find and click on the specific record for the person you just spoke with. This will open up their detailed record page, where you can see their information, past activities, and any notes associated with them. On the left-hand side of the record, look for the Related Lists panel. From that list, select Closed Activities. This area is where Zoho keeps a history of interactions that have already taken place, like completed calls, meetings, or tasks. Since we're logging a call that has already happened, this is exactly where we want it to go. Now, in the Closed Activities section, look for the option that says Add New and click on it. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Call. Zoho will then give you a couple of options related to calls. Select Log a Call. This tells the system that you're recording details of a call that has already occurred rather than starting a live call. A form will open where you can enter the details of your conversation. Start by filling in the subject field. Use something short and clear, like follow-up call about pricing or introductory discovery call. Next, choose the call purpose. This helps categorize why you made the call, such as follow-up, demo, support, or introduction, depending on the options available in your setup. Then add the call duration. Even if it's approximate, including a duration helps with reporting and gives context later. Below that, you'll see a description field. This is where you type your call notes. Include key points you discussed, questions the person asked, any commitments you made, and the next steps you agreed on. The more specific your notes, the easier it is for you or your team to quickly understand what happened during that call. When you're happy with everything you've entered, scroll down if needed and click Save. Your call is now logged under Closed Activities for that record, and you'll be able to refer back to it anytime you need.